Alright, boys, we back. Let me actually double check to make sure. My weapons have, my ships have weapons on them, excuse me. But yeah, I got a juice box now. Let's do this.
A random ass hang.
Oh, I should have plugged in my joystick, actually.
Do you know what size the M4A laser cannon is?
Size 2. M3A is size 1.
Also...
Yours comes with M4As? I thought yours came with Omskis.
you're right. The side wings have Omskis, but I put an M4A on the area where I normally would have the gunnel or whatever the hell it's called.
Alright, so my Cutlass does have guns on it. By the way, this Cutlass rework is making me worried. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, is the Badger... What's the size of the Badger repeater or the Bulldog repeater?
Badger repeater is size 2, Bulldog repeater is size 1, Panther repeater is size 3.
Damn it, I want a Panther.
You want a Panther? Can yours fit a Panther?
Size 3 gimbal, then I'll put a size 2. Should I put Badger repeater or the M4 laser cannon?
Which are you using? The Omski? I'm sorry, not the Omski, the...
Omski on my wings, and then I can either put the Badger repeater or the laser cannon on the nose.
Shoot. I would go Badger, to be honest.
Alright.
I mean, both of those pips don't line up because of the velocity is different, unfortunately.
Oh, well, one's gimbal and one's not, so that'll be different as well.
You can always remove the gimbal, you know that, right?
Yeah, but it doesn't hurt to have it.
But, I mean, it's up to you.
But I don't have a size 3, so that's why I'm just leaving it there.
Oh boy.
Alright, electronic access.
Okay, let's see. I have
Arena commander.
Alright.
Oh wait, I gotta invite you.
Don't forget to add me.
Well, no, I don't know where I'm going, so you invite me. You the pro.
Alright, yeah.
I'm gonna sit here and watch my ship tilt itself on the side because its ladder came out funny. Decline.
Oh. Alright. So this should be good too. It won't just be us two. We'll have 2 teammates. So depending on how bad they are. I'm just kidding. They probably won't be bad.
I don't know how to get in there. Interesting.
It's the same way as you get normally. Hey, I don't see you in my contacts list. What happened?
So I need to go into electronic access.
Oh no, because you're in the hangar module. Actually, go back to the main menu.
Yep. Go into main menu. Alright, send me another invite.
I have to actually go back in. I don't see you. I need to go back to the main menu apparently. Shoot.
What?
They need a better UI for this. Ooh, almost clicked exit game. That would have been bad. I would have to restart that all over again. Yeah, so the bug with the ballistic ammo or the ballistic weapons, it happens because the ammo box isn't associated with your guns. It's kind of weird.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Done. Origin jump works it is.
There it is.
Just gotta see how it goes. It'll be good practice.
Yeah, for combat. Although, to be honest, the AI is pretty fucking easy. They have a pretty predictable flight pattern. They don't really do anything, so... Oh wait, you gotta ready up, though.
I thought I did. Now I did. Alright, I'm gonna get like 2 of these in, then I'm gonna run.
Alright. Although, these are kind of long. 18 waves.
Oh, then maybe I'll do just 1.
What time is it?
840.
Ah. No, I should have done this in an MR. That would have been interesting.
The what?
And the Aurora MR, the one of the starter ships, I should have done it in this one.
Oh gosh.
We'd be kind of screwed if the other people didn't have Hornets or something.
Anvil Aerospace. All systems online. Scanning.
Oh, we got 3 people.
Don't know what I'm doing.
Vanduul Swarm
Oh,
initiated.
we only have 3 people. Shoot, maybe we should have waited for 4. It's all good.
Warning.
Do I have
There are
ammo?
multiple
Where's my
hostiles
ammo?
inbound.
I don't know where your ammo is. I've never flown a 350.
Bogey. Bogey.
Bogey. I love the Anvil voice.
Oh well.
Yeah, I forgot
Target destroyed.
Look how easy it is to aim with gimbal weapons. Now let's try this. Oh, he already got him. I was gonna try and do a clover turn. So yeah, if you ever have time, check out the LIS, the Legacy Instructional Series videos. They're actually really informative. You may not actually like, do combat or anything like that, but they do tell you, they do teach you like good mechanics to use.
Yeah.
So like,
I was shooting him and he just ran
Zero
into it.
hostile contacts
Nice.
remaining.
Yeah, there's like weird,
Warning. There are
there's
multiple
weird bugs
hostiles inbound.
that like
Scanning.
components of your
Scanning.
own ship will break
Bogey.
off
Bogey.
and collide with your own ship, causing even more damage.
Interesting. Alright, so 1 is weapons,
Mhm.
2 is shields, 3 is boost, right?
For increasing power, yes.
Alright.
For power management, I mean. Oh, he took that kill from me. Come on, I did all that work. Also, your ammo resets on every boss round, so don't be afraid to use your missiles and stuff like that.
Warning.
Yeah.
Systems overheating.
I can't see anything, it's so
Deck
bright.
hit. Shields charging. Warning. Systems overheating. Warning. Systems overheating.
There we
Target
go.
destroyed.
Oh, I got
Yeah.
a missile on me.
Flare. Locked. Shields charging. Forward proximity alert. Warning. Systems overheating.
Oh yeah, direct hit.
Target destroyed.
Got him.
Warning. Systems overheating.
Zero hostile contacts remaining.
So overheated.
Shields charging.
Shields charging.
Contact.
Yeah, so your
Elite
num
units
your
en
numpad.
route.
Scanning.
Okay, here's the boss
Bogey.
wave. So, where are you, little king? I'm just gonna lock and fire like a bunch of missiles on you. Let's do 3.
Locked.
Three missiles. Here we go.
Target destroyed.
Got him.
Locked.
Oh!
Did I lose target lock?
Locked.
Oh, I did. So the Gladiator is a bomber, but currently it can't really. They haven't really
Missiles
put
dropping.
in torpedoes into the universe yet. So right now it just has a butt ton of missiles right now. Which is why there's like 5 missiles after Little King, right? Because I just keep launching and firing them all. Oh, hey, get that Vanduul Scavenger.
Fucker. Ah.
Alright, let's do a boom and zoom.
Ah,
Star
damn.
Helm took that. Yeah.
Elite units eliminated.
That's all good. The fact that it's dying is what matters.
You right?
Collision.
Oh
Warning.
God! Don't
There
run
are
into me,
multiple
man.
hostiles inbound.
Scanning. Scanning. Bogey. Bogey.
Okay.
Wait, that many? Holy hell.
Yeah. See, I like the Aegis voice actually. For voice. No, sorry, not Aegis. Aegis is scary, man. He sounds so ferocious. The Aegis voice for the ship.
I don't know. Oh, yeah, it sounds like very masculine, hardcore.
Oh yeah. It's like Optimus Prime but angry.
Target destroyed.
There we go. Drake is actually cool
Oh.
too. I like Drake. God, the top speed of this is 310. Staham has like 4 missiles after him apparently. Let's help him out.
Lock. Target destroyed.
Ha! Stole it from him. Yeah, it's a little unfair because we have higher weapon loadouts than you do. Our weapon loadouts are a lot more lethal.
And again, though, it's really good practice for me.
Yeah.
Still able to, like, take things out.
0 hostile
Though,
contacts
you know,
remaining.
slowly. But, like, I took 2 of them out that time.
Oh yeah, turn off ESP by the way.
Warning.
Do
There
right
I
are
don't
alt
know.
go.
hostiles inbound.
It's,
it off.
wait. Oh.
Scanning. Bogey.
Because
What does it
ESP's
do?
buggy right
Bogey.
now. No, ESP's buggy in this patch. So normally
Right,
what it
what's-
does is it actually slows down your reticle when you're near a target to help you aim at it when you're using a joystick. But right now it's buggy, so it tends to slow down too fast and it tends to zoom right past it. Once it's in there.
Target destroyed.
Hey! Oh, wait, I did get that. Okay.
Lock. Warning. Systems overheating. Target
Got
destroyed.
it. There it is. You got this Vanduul Scavenger? I'll let you get him. I'll go for the other one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Maybe.
dang, you got it already. He's on your tail.
I don't understand how many hits I have to make to kill this fucker.
So you're using laser weapons, so you have to drop his shields first. If you're using, so lasers are better against armor, but shields block
0
them
hostile
completely.
contacts remaining.
Say that again?
So lasers
Nice.
are better against armor, but shields
Contact.
will block laser
Elite units
damage
en route.
entirely until the shields are down.
Scanning.
Ballistics will go through
Bogey.
shields, but they do less damage to armor. Or they do less damage through armor. But currently there's no armor in the game, so ballistics are just overpowered.
Yeah.
Alright, let's lock 3 missiles on this priest, dude.
Lock.
Fun with those missiles. Let's lock 3 more on him.
Target destroyed.
I got him. Oh my god, gunboats. Let's lock 3 more on this Vanduul Hunter. Why not?
Lock.
And target another target. Talk about fire and forget.
Target destroyed.
Got him.
Target destroyed.
Got him.
Didn't even have to do
Didn't even have to do anything.
Lock.
Kevin said pew pew in him.
Nah, I'm just launching missiles at him. There's so many missiles coming at this guy right now. Look at all these missiles. Yeah. Oh, he took it. Oh, watch out.
Elite
Those things might
units
lock onto you.
eliminated.
They're kind of buggy sometimes. Shit, they one of them
That's-
locked on, two of them locked onto you.
There are multiple
No!
hostiles inbound.
I just got kicked, I think. I just got kicked. You didn't,
I just
you didn't launch flares.
I
I
don't
got
know
kicked.
how players.
You don't have any flares?
I don't know how to.
Oh, hold G. Oh man. Alright, well I just got kicked for the rest of the match.
Wait, because you killed me?
Yeah. Because my missiles damaged you, so I just got kicked.
Wait, do you get no benefits from it?
I don't know. I think I just stopped where I stopped, so I don't think I won't get like the full, because you get it based on points, how many points you make. So I won't get as much, I don't think. I still think I get points, but yeah, next time hold G or press your mouse, the mouse button that's closest to you, the thumb one. The thumb button that's closest to you, that also launches flares as well as default.
So it's G
Hold G.
and the mouse.
Yeah.
G.
Tapping G will switch between your countermeasures. So you have flares and chaff. Flares are for IR, so heat-seeking missiles. Chaff is for radar missiles. Radars look like yeah. Okay, hang on 1 second.
Do you get back in at all?
Yeah, in a second. No, I can't get back in. I can't get back anymore. Alright, anyways, I'm probably just gonna end the video here. So, got kicked.